Another example of using ser and estar for similar meanings. Ser. ¿Quiénes son los invitados? Who are the guests? Los invitados son los miembros del club. The guests are the club members. Note, we use ser plus nouns. Estar. ¿Quiénes están invitados? Who are invited? Los miembros del club están invitados. Club members are invited. Note, estar plus a condition. In this case, the condition is a past participle acting as an adjective. Invitados. However, ser plus condition in a passive voice. Ellos son invitados con frecuencia. They are frequently invited. And the typical difference between ser, intrinsic, and estar, state. Ser. Los invitados son gente feliz. The guests are happy people. Estar. Los invitados están felices. The guests are happy.